In this video I will show you how to easy way remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Create a copy this layer. Now go to Channel. Choose Blue Channel. Make a copy like this. Go to Images. Adjustment and choose Levels. Just take this black slider to the right side. Take the white slider to the left. It will whiten to bright area from the photo. Adjust the slider accordingly. When you finish, press OK. Now choose Brush tool. Set the foreground color is black. Just paint on the dark area. Now select the white color and just paint on the white area. Hold Ctrl and click here and to make selection. Show the RGB channel. Hold Alt and click on the mask icons to create invert mask. Hide this layer. We still have some blur color here. Let's fix it. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Hue Saturation. Click on this hand icon. Choose the blue color here. Now I can shift the color with the help of the blue slider, so that it matches the color of the tree. And I can also drag the saturation more to the left. Click on this icon to only effect layer below. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.